Hello everyone, it's Kate Weather here. Today we're talking about the tropics again because we now have Hurricane Isaias. Yes, we have Hurricane Isaias, which is now in the tropics and heading for the Florida coast and possibly the eastern coast here. So a lot of the models say going right here, straight through these coasts, are bringing lots of rainfall to these coasts. So again, my last video showed you was Tropical Storm Isaias. Now it's Hurricane Isaias, now in the tropics. So I'll be giving you all the details on this, the live infrared satellite, and the future models and the track on this coming up in today's video, so stay tuned. But this is Hurricane Isaias. As you can see, this is the current information. Maximum sustained wind was 65 knots and 75 miles per hour. The minimum central pressure was 991 millibars. You see the latitude longitude numbers there, and the movement was northwest at 13 knots or 15 miles per hour. As you can see, it is located right here in the tropics. It's getting pretty close to Florida here. It is going to be making landfall, and yes, this is a big thing now. Turned into a hurricane overnight last night. So let's get all the details on this. So before we get into the live infrared satellite, I want to go and show you the live alerts right now. So as you can see, this is Florida down here. We now have hurricane warnings in effect. So yes, you guys are going to be probably hit by a Category 1 hurricane, and it's likely to increase by category. So you guys could be hit by a possible big hurricane on the Florida coast there. And just a side note here, we do have severe weather tonight. We have severe thunderstorm watches here in New Mexico, Louisiana, and Mississippi. But other than that, we do have hurricane warnings in effect for parts of Florida. Let's get into the live infrared satellite on Hurricane Isaias. As you can see, it is a really strong storm here, bringing lots of heavy rain. So you can see it is right here, as you can see, bringing lots of heavy rain. And if I'm not mistaken, Florida's coast is only right here, so it's getting very close to Florida. So yes, this is getting very close to Florida. So Florida, you guys need to be getting prepared for flooding, rainfall, and everything else, because Hurricane Isaias is on the track to Florida and the Carolina coast, Georgia coast, and Virginia coast, and even Delaware could be hit by this. So let's get into the track. So this is a track on the storm. As you can see, it is going to be planned to be a hurricane for quite a while. As you can see, it is a hurricane now, and as it reaches Florida, as it goes to the South Carolina coast, it is planned to stay a hurricane. Then it weakens to a tropical storm as it hits the Virginia, North Carolina coast, Delaware, all the way up to Massachusetts. It's supposed to be a tropical storm after that. But as you can see, it's going to bring lots of hurricane things here. And as you see, we do have hurricane warnings here, and lots of just so many tropical alerts in this area here on these islands. So that is a track. Again, it should make landfall on Florida by 8 p.m. Saturday, and then make landfall on Georgia / South Carolina by 8 a.m. Monday. Then go to North Carolina, Virginia by 8 a.m. Tuesday, and then weaken and go away by 8 a.m. Wednesday. So that's its track. Let's get into and end off the video here with the GFS model. Just one of the models. Again, this is not the most accurate model. It's just one of the models we use in weather. But as you can see, it's moving closer, and it goes through these islands here. And as you can see, just like the track said, it's going to make landfall on Florida by Sunday. As you can see, again, this is not the most accurate model, but it gives you an idea of what it might do, and see how it's bringing lots of rainfall, and it organizes here. It's like more, which is bad because it brings lots of more rainfall in one area, which can cause flooding. But then it hits Florida by Sunday, and then we time this out just a little bit more. And as you can see, it moves to Georgia here. Now it's just kind of getting just bigger here a little bit, to South Carolina and North Carolina, bringing lots of heavy rainfall. And then we time this out a little bit further. And then again, that was about Tuesday. And then it goes through North Carolina, through Virginia, and then that goes out. And then after that, it kind of gets smaller and dissipates. But that goes out of that area. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you like weather-related videos, again, Hurricane Isaias, now in the tropics, are on the letter I, and it's a hurricane. So this is getting very far out with these letters. It's alphabetical. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any weather questions, don't forget to comment them down below, and I should be able to answer them. But stay safe, stay weather aware. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!